Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to get Roblox voice chat back after being suspended. So first up here, open your Roblox as you can see on your screen. And then just need to go here in the URL at the top. And basically, just need to change the home into support. And then once you've done, just need to tap on enter. And then you will go here on the contact form. So basically, you just need to enter here your contact information, your username, first name, email address. Now, once you've done here, go to the issue details. What device are you having the problem on? Just need to choose here. So select PC. Type of health category, just need to choose moderation. And then here, we just need to select appeal account. And here, we can go here on description of issue. And then we can type right here. Hello Roblox support team, after checking your community guidelines, I can see I have not violated any community standards and would appreciate if you could look into removing my voice chat suspension. Thank you. So you can copy and paste this on your description, and once you've done, tap on submit, and we just need to wait for Roblox support to fix the problem on your Roblox. And that's all. That's how you basically get Roblox voice chat back after being suspended. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.